Finazo lezo zomadlanga commission nani. Just a waste of money, you understand? Because bakufika lapha bakuvudulula ukuthi lo wantshontsha imali nini, but what else? And then after sazile ukuthi umuntu untshontsha imali, what's going to happen?
That's
nothing. There's no way forward. The finazo lezo zomadlanga commission nani. Just a waste of money, you understand? Because bakufika lapha bakuvudulula ukuthi lo wantshontsha imali nini, but what else? And then after sazile ukuthi umuntu untshontsha imali, what's going to happen?
Nothing.
There's no way things ngicabanga ukuthi you'll get away with is the day abantu beshintsha behlangana ubona amazulu ekwazi ukuhlangana nabakhosa, the day kwahlangana nabesuthu.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited, my friend, to have you namuhla.
Me too.
If ufikile Shalok, he explained his side, but now bengitsinga wena kakhulu because bengifuna umuntu onale experience.
Yeah. No, ngambona uSherlock ekhona. I was so excited ngayibuka episode ngangihleka, but ngisho uSherlock uyasaba ukuya too deep into imali yezibhuku yabo. Uyasaba because imenzele enye into le mali yezibhuku. Phela uSherlock le yanto imkhandela amabhadi.
Are you serious?
Yes, umkhandela amabhadi wanenkinga, wagcina ehlukana nomfazi, all of those things yabo.
Wow.
Because lento imali yezibhuku is very spiritual. Yabo and abantu I understand, they just think ukuthi yinto nje umdlalo akudlalwa lapha inyanga lapha ibhosha amakinati straight. You understand?
Yeah.
Inyanga ishiya ikhwama lapha ibuya igundi yekele kuba inyanga ihamba yosonta because ibonile ukuthi ayikho lento eyenzayo fanele ukuthi iyadlala. You understand? So nje imali yezibhoki abantu ngiyazi abayikholwa. Mina umuntu ongayikholwa akasifice la ithina address yala.
Yeah, but it's a Royal Vintage Clothing Castle.
Ngikhona ke lokuhlala.
Yeah, and VCC.
Akangilindela eminyango akukhombisa intaba ekuthi nemali yezibhoki sohamba sekhona.
Sawuba silandze.
Yeah, fast.
Diyabhadla still diyabhadla sibuyile sanibonani emakhaya wherever you are ngifuna kunamukela ke sibuyile namuhla sise Royal Vintage Castle Clothing ena sport life Qatatha with the big man himself indoda etipoko he ngiyathi ukuthi ngiyakitsa la khona anikhona lutho pyramid himself my friend
kunjani mfowethu
ngiyaphila ndoda
ngiyaphila nami
ngiyaphila
after isikhathi eside umuntu engekho right but sengiright manje uyabo.
Yes,
because ngiye ngathi ukulimala ngathi ukugula nje ngahlala impela nje.
Okay.
Ngahlinzwa isibedlela and then now I'm better.
Hey, what lenzaba leyo it's a bit sensitive. Ngifuna ukuthi ubaxoxele kahle because I need them to understand when I'm not ukuthi kahle what's going down. Sithi kancane Sister P, ume njani ngalapho mnakethu?
The Supreme Court of Appeal
Yes.
South Africa.
Okay.
I-challenge Eskom. Ngokuthi Eskom ibhizi ikhuphula ama-price agesi. Mara iyafihla ukuthi ikhuphula ngayo kwakuma reason. Akwatiwa ukuthi malahla costa malini. Akisho na ukhuphula enokufuna ukhuphule ngoba lendo lo iproducer akho. Seyiyadura ikhuphukile.
Okay.
Uzokuthi na ukhuphusela thina bathengi si understand.
Yes.
So ikhotho ifuna itransparency ku Eskom ukuthi mawubhizi ukhuphula lo gesi ngoba gesi awusasaw afford so yadura. Ukhuphula ngoba makulahla or ipetrol or laba kusupply kuyadura.
Okay.
Njengase sihlala eMpumalanga malahla agaywa khona la.
Okay.
So yini le cost lengaka lenda kusibani solo bakhuphule gesi.
Hey phela thina sinenkinga thina gesi siyawuthenga.
Yeah.
I-trend esikhathi lesithe indzaba yetinyoka. As she's mentioning it the infrastructure yabo to rearrange the system le basifakela ngayo letigubhu lamakhaya.
Yeah.
They've just renewed that and bantu abaningi sebaqala ukuthenga gesi. Mina ke ngiyathi ukuthi ngale kini ngale bo KZN nine kudzala lento ikhona nalungiselwa kudzala and gesi kina uhambi.
Yo, kuphi khona? Akukho lo ngahambi khona ugesi.
Uthini nake?
Ugesi uhamba all over manami. Ugesi is one of the things nonsense in South Africa. But icourt nayo ngibona mina they just playing games with our minds because
Okay.
ake ubano transparent in South Africa.
Okay.
Who is transparent? Government awukho transparent.
Yeah.
How can these companies be transparent? Because umuntu uyena obaphethe nake ekho transparent. So isigebengu sifuna ukubuza singe isigebengu ukuthi endoda affairs ukuthi why unyosa ugesi. Khona government yini nayivezayo because nayo unyosa izinto eziningi. You understand? Upetrol unyuka for no good reason. Awungela unyuka kathathu ngenyanga. You understand? So ithatha imali yokuthenga upetrol because amasalary awanyuki. Uyabo? kunyuka kuphela ama-price ezinto, ukudla kuyabiza manje, yonke into iyabiza while sihola imali encane. We understand? So lezi zinto zama-court, it's just a waste of time.
Kudlalwa ngazo.
Yes, ifana nazo lezo zomadlanga commission nani. Just a waste of money. You understand? Because bakufika lapha bakuvudulula ukuthi lo wantshontsha imali nini. But what else? And then after sazile ukuthi umuntu untshontsha imali, what's going to happen?
That's the
Nothing. There's no way forward. There's no way forward. Uyayazi nje country ukuthi future country bheke right now. If I can ask you, do you know?
Hey ndoda.
Awazi. All you know ukuthi ucele wathatha imali ngesikhoma sase-Woolworth, that doesn't help us. You understand? Akusizi nganext.
Yeah.
You understand? Thina sifuna ukwazi ukuthi i-country yapi.
Yeah.
Where to from here? Okay, sesisibonile ke inkinga nazi zikhona, and then
Sister P.
Lenye into lakhona shalokho njengoba la Mashangane, I'm sorry to say nami ngilishangane, Mashangane ayakhala ala South Africa. KwaZulu loku ibhizi ngale le organization iMarch and March. Ibhizi iqosha laba bokuhamba la illegal immigrants.
Yeah.
Okay.
So kunengoma laba iculile bathi shangale suka endleleni. So Mashangane ala Mzansi. Sekafila ngathi nawo aphatheka kabi ngala maZulu. So kunale clash lokuthi yes sinenkinga icrisis yabantu bokuhamba. Mara why nithi batsonga people Mashangane. And then abasi Mashangane abasahlukana ukuthi lishangane lelibuye eMozambique kumbe lishangane la South Africa abakaphatheka kahle.
It's very hard. It's very hard for us to yabo ukuhlukanisa ukuthi ishangani lasekuphi leshangani lasekuphi, because if you say umZulu angeke usho umZulu waseLimpopo umZulu wakuphi. Mase kuthiwa amaZulu sibhanqa sonke isiZulus. I'm sorry for those shangans ala eSouth Africa ukuthi ngathi asiyahlukumezeka, but we mean the shangans from outside. We understand? It's not asilungise lento. It's not like ukuthi bonke abantu abaphuma ngaphandle bayahlupha.
Okay.
There are those abahluphayo. So now it end up bonke zifa ngamvunye manje ukuthi no, I think vele into enizele la kuzohlupha anizala ukuzokwenza i-country ukuthi ibe ngcono. You understand? You don't add value to the country, but you're destroying our country because they are destroying our country. We can never shy away from that. And with the Zulus, mina ngizokhuluma for umZulu because ngumZulu.
Yes.
Sina siyabekezela ne.
Okay.
We can live with you, give you love, give you respect. But the moment you show us what you think you're clever, then we'll show you who we are. That's what's happening right now. Sihlale nalabantu for too long. And it abayenza la bakidnappers bethu. They're selling drugs. They fraud ibuzwa kubona. Yabona babulala yonke lento le. So ibekezelela kuze kube nini?
And ngiyeva nganaye there's this Nigerian guy but on social media. Yes. Wathi utibeke inkosi yala maziriziri angala laba wele bala impumela eSouth Africa. Uthi yena igovernment ingaloku ibhizi bahlokoloda. Ngive bathi uboshiwe. What happened with that guy?
I don't know. I think that's one of the stupid thing ongazenza. Ngeke usuke wena eNigeria uthi inkosi. Do you think ungakwenza lokho? Ngeke. Even lies Zimbabwe makhelwane ngawufika uyibeke uthi unesigodlo enkosi. Angithi bathatha kancane ubukhosi bethu. Babona ngathi thina ubukhosi bethu ubuntengentenge so they can do whatever they want. Kanti ngeke la akudlala kaZulu ke. We don't take nonsense, Baba.
But I like what the government did. I really like what the government did. Lokuthi ngiva bathi bamcharge angathi 30 years.
I don't know story sakhona.
Bambile ngoba labanye abantu bathi it's fake news bantu nje bebatidlalela ba so there is no verified information allegedly on social media
ukuthi ubesibeka inkosi
yebo bekazibeka inkosi mara lama Nigeria aya explain ayendo ukuthi angisho eSouth Africa kunala kuyahluka ngemaculture bathi vele lama ego ase Nigeria ayahlupha. So bona bafuna i-representative yabo la eSouth Africa.
Ngeke basibabe nayo.
Babe ne community yabo. So maZulu alwela lokuthi njengoba bona they are cultural people ba understand ukuthi hayi inkosi kune king nabo chief ngendlela yakhona ngeke bese uyaqhamuka.
If befuna ukubeka inkosi yabo imiphi imigudu abayilandelile ukuze benikezwe ke because you come to somebody's kingdom.
Yeah, that's
you
the right
understand?
question, yeah.
You need to go there and bow down and explain why you want to do that. If they understand it, that will make sense. Then maybe they can say, okay, we're going to give you the piece of the land. Because we're not animals, sabantu bo. But if you chaza into that we not understand, we can never give you umhlaba. And ngeke ufike usuzoyibeka ku social media uthi wena uyinkosi ini angeke uzotshela umuntu. Where uzotshela umuntu kuphi? La eSouth Africa. I never. Yabona, I like the way abantu abenze ngayo to do those marching. Bakhombisile ukuthi we're not children. You understand?
Yeah.
Asinazi isikhathi sokudlala.
Okay.
Yabo, as much as we respect and listen and sikhuliswe ngayi respect emakhaya.
Yes.
Kodwa kuyafika la ukuthi khona no, we tired. You understand? Even government will remember ukuthi abantu laba. You can't just do things nje ucabanga ukuthi you'll get away with it. Sahlangana sayibamba sathi
Yes.
Gophethe emhlabeni.
Yeah.
Yabo, and it's going there and people are getting tired. You understand? Ugovernment udlale kakhulu ngabantu. And uyena ugovernment lo wenza ukuthi kuze kwenzeke lezi zinto ezenzeka manje because ibona allow these things to happen. Why kwamanye amazwe ingenzeki lento le?
Mara mina ngathi ngicabanga ukuthi nayo i-government nakavuma for le match lecaliwe icalwa ngini maZulu uma avuma ngicabanga ukuthi naye usa-strategize how to support le match lenkulu nakangaka.
I don't think mina they want to support anything. Mina ngibuka ubaba uphakela umthakathi nobaba ungizwe emculo ukuthi
Okay.
banesibindi.
Yes.
Uyabo basanawo lento. I think kuvuke mina amakhehla amakhosi akudala and they living through those people.
Kahle
We understand. Yibo babanika lesibindi sokuthi you know what now we are sick and tired. Yonke lento yenzakalayo nje udoti uyabo. Sokumanilwe ilembe lani ngeke lize livume yonke lento le.
That's
You understand? I don't think ukuthi ikhona inkosi engavuma le and uyabona ukuthi embusweni kaMisuzulu even igama lakhe is giving ukuthi uzowumisa uZulu because
Kahle kahle.
I think he's involved lento ukuthi we can't be played by abantu bangaphandle bazokwenza umathanda
Yes.
because ibulala ini isithunzi sikaZulu isithunzi
Kills the
somuntu omnyama.
confidence,
You understand ne culture yethu as abakaXhosa as amaZulu as whoever who exists as South Africa. You understand?
Yes.
Baqhamuke emazweni nabo bazokwenza izinto ezibhedayo la. Do you know ukuthi manje sebasigwaza nokusigwaza manje
Hey, mina
bakhulekile manje.
Mina-ke.
You understand? Wagcina nibona i-tuck shop irana umuntu waselokishini.
Hey, it's been long.
You
It's been
understand?
long.
Abantu bangaphandle. You understand? Bafika badayisa izinto ezi-poisonous that kills our children. Kumele senze njani? Smile. We cannot be smiling. We cannot be laughing ngento engahlekisi. You understand? And if kumele ukuthi kubhedwe kumhlaba ushunqe, that's what's going to happen. We
Yeah.
can't say abantu abame ukwenza no kuzoliwa. Let's fight for what ours. Ngeke ngene umuntu kini.
Yes.
Erephu usisi wakho bese uthi wena kuhlalwe phansi kuxoxa. Never. You understand? So if akuliwe until government ebona ukuthi we're not playing anymore. You understand? And government nala maqembu la siwavotela nawatakwa ukuthi siyawavotela. If you can stop and say, you know what? We're not voting. We are tired now. Indaba zamaqembu. Let's do one thing esizovuma ukuthi irule. We need one president. We need iqembu elilodwa, we need one president.
Yes.
We can make it as black people.
Yeah, we can.
But because we were divided by white people long time ago, thina desibona ukuthi mongahlangana nawe sekuyabheda.
Yeah, inkinga.
And masahlangana sowuthusa yakhe into yaphila, sengicabanga ukubulala wena ukuze lento yonke lento isale nami ngiyi-one.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngilase yakhona mina kethu usayibeka ngenxa yesikhathi kukhona kakhulu la ngijake khona ngithi nangibuka lapha kubomabona kude kuma social platforms ngithi ngiyakubuka mina kethu ngiyakuthola ngiyeva lapha bathi Philip Sizwe Bloso uyathi lesibongo sakho uma ngesibida Bloso simnanzi it's so tasty and every time when I look at you on social media ngikubona uhleka you always got a smile. You're wearing a smile.
I'm always laughing mfethu noma kuthiwa nginenkinga engakanani.
Yes.
I'm one man ozokucasula ngokuhleka uyabona
Yeah.
ucasula ngizohleka uze ucasuke wena
Kahle
you understand and ungeke ungenze lutho at the end of the day
Kahle
you
kahle.
understand yeah mina I was born uSizwe
Yes.
Philip waka Blosi but ngwakamthethwa mina
Okay.
because my mom wakamthethwa
Okay.
ubaba wangizala I don't know kwenzakalani ngibizwe ngesibongo sakhe but
Okay.
akangihlawulanga akangenzakala next you understand I still belong ekhabo mama komalume uyabo so mina ngusizwe wakamthethwa ngunyambosi
Okay.
uyabo that how they call me
So-
just the ID because bayibiza ngesibongo sikababa that doesn't exist kumina ke as existing mina
lo Bloso wakabobabwa
yes
so lo mthethwa wakabomakwabo
so that's why I belong kamthetho
okay
uyabo
ngenxa yokuthi lo baba akazange
yeah and the ID ngizoyishintsha vele ibiza umthetho
ubuyele
yes
okay
kana kangenzelanga next
okay
wangizala nje wangishiya kanjalo so why ngizobe proud ngiphakamisa isibongo sakhe like I'm doing great things la emhlabeni then ngizophakamisa isibongo sakhe kaBlose never idlozi lami la kamthetho yibo banginika everything that I have ibona abantu engibele ngibaphakamise koNyambosi Hayi,
Nakathi
Blosi.
you are a legend ubuya ku filming ubuya ku acting you are an artist
Yeah.
like artist lelikhulu you are one of the artists that I know lengibabona abakhula kakhulu from
Yes,
KZN
yes.
and mina according to me ngendlela ukhula ngayo uyabona ngala eMpumalanga kithi my spirituality my beliefs akangivumeli ke mina ama beliefs wami ukuthi ngitibite kakhudlwana ngesibongo sakabomaka so now ngifuna kwathi behind lendvodza leyatiwa kangaka a good storyteller indzaba yetipoko nemali yabo Phewula spiritually
yeah
consciously ime njani lendvodza yakithi
mina ngingasho mfethu ukuthi I'm a weapon
Okay.
uNkulunkulu wathi mayidala mina kadala nge-human being
Okay.
wadala a weapon isikhali
Yes.
you understand ngihlome ngayo yonke indlela left and right akukho lo ngaqhamuka ngakhona ukuthi uzokhona ukungishaya angishayeki
Okay.
you understand I was given power ekuzalweni kwami engafani yomunye umuntu yabo eyami immoya is very rare you understand ayifani yomunye umuntu uyabo because I see things ongakaziboni wena ngizothi mangokutshela ngazo you won't believe ukuthi lo udlala ngami kanti zikhona you understand
Okay.
khona abantu abazokutshela ukuthi zikhona uyabo so yeah I think I was born different
Okay.
nangokuzaleka kwami nje I was born different kwenzeka into eziningi makuzalwa mina you understand I was a gift from my ancestors you understand that's why ngihlonipha kangaka umdali ngihlonipha kangaka idalwa because I know ukuthi angeke ukhona ukuphila umuntu ngaphandle kwidalwa zakini you understand because idalwa izona ukuthi umuthandaza zithathe umthandazo uzohambise la kumele uzohambise khona and wait for answers zibuyisa impendulo kuwena ngamaphupho izokutshela ukuthi mawungenza ukuthi wenza ukuthi kuzolunga you understand because awukazi umphupho uJesu awukazi umphupho uJoshua awukazi umphupho uMichael but uphupha abantu bakini abadala you understand laba abanye namhlanje bababiza ngamadimoni wena lasazi ke ukuthi umuntu uyakuzala ekukhulisa masomdala mekwashona uphenduka idimoni should nawe same thing vele ngisho ngasonta kangakanani ukukhonza uNkulunkulu uzohambe ngesisu phansi mawufu uzoba idimoni because umuntu mesefile wena uthi uyidimoni so it doesn't make sense to me uyabo so abantu kunezinto abangazazi that we know you understand angaze ngivuke ngo7 ngijaha umlungu ngithi ngigijimela ukuthi ngiyosebenza kamlungu I've never done that because my beliefs akholela ukuthi angizalelwanga ukuthi ngizogijimiswa umunye umuntu I was born to do my things ngine journey yami emele ngihamba you understand even if you can look at the car that I'm driving ngazi utshela ukuthi umuntu osebenza kahle ema-ofisini no angisebenzi kahle ema-ofisini I'm just me ngivuka ngo2 ngivuka ngo3 ngivuka nini but I still live because nginama beliefs ayikho into ekhona ukuma ngaphambi kwami mina eze ngiyise empumelelweni
yes
uyabo
so you are a man that believes in his capability
yes I believe so much no wisdom enginayo can make me be someone ongakazi ucabanga ukuthi ngaba uyena lo mlungu ohamba yovula ifame aqashe wena now ngaba umlungu yovula ifame
Yes.
just that you don't believe in yourself you always have learned that what if I fail well if you fail you fail
Okay.
even God maybe failed somewhere but he never stopped we understand he created us you don't know mhlambe thina saba rejection ngithi ubona kwezinye indawo kudayiswa ama reject mhlambe sama reject who knows you don't know
yeah ngendlela siphila ngayo you can say
see you understand
Wow,
so you'll never say ngempela ukuthi uNkulunkulu akayenzanga mistake somewhere but he never stopped ukuba uNkulunkulu he's still God when yini ezokuvimba kuba wena ngokuthi ufailile izolo try again until you make it vele uzowaka na u19 uphumelele kayi1
Yes.
We understand. So kwakho ukuthi you do the things again and again and again until you get them right. Uyabo. Yeah.
Ngiyawathanda mina kethu lamandla and the belief lonayo ngawe. You know, I was asking myself when I went through your bio ngiyatibuta ngithi mina ngoba mina ema pyramids ngiyawadi ne. Mina ngathi ukuthi I pyramid ama pyramids ngilama buildings, these ancient buildings.
La nikholelwa ukuthi akasathana.
Yes. But see, those Egyptians,
Yeah.
they built those things to preserve power and kwenda baphile isikhathi lesithe.
Yes, there is power in pyramid.
Okay.
There is forces aphila lapha kwi pyramid. You understand?
Okay.
There is spiritual things as khona lapha ya. We understand that were built for a purpose.
Okay.
You understand? That's why Egypt was rich because they had backups. They had their gods. We understand? They believed in their gods. That's why they built those pyramids. I call myself pyramid because I'm something ongekhona uyinyakazisa ngisho ngathini ngeke unginyakazisa ama forces aphila kumina ngaphakathi angawukhona ukwavimba. You understand? Uma sevula indlela ayivulile uyabo. So I'm not one person ongathi umvimba la uqathi uqedile ngayo.
Yes.
You will never. You understand? Mina even ungalikhipha ngembaba uthi ngeke phela uhlandle esaphila kuzofa wena ngomsombuluko ngiphile mina. You understand? Because the things that I believe in I find nokholelwa kuzona.
Okay.
You understand? That's why angikusaba ukufa.
Okay.
I don't mind dying because I know umoya wami mina uzoya endaweni efanele.
Okay.
You understand? Ngiyawusebenzela umndeni wami. I do good things in my family. Isidalwa sami asike ngisikhohla each and every time ngiyabakhumbula ngeke unginyakazisa ama forces aphila kumina ngaphakathi. Angawukhona ukwavimba. You understand? Uma sevula indlela ayivulile. Uyabo. So I'm not one person ongathi umvimba la uqathi uqedile ngayo.
Yes.
You will never. You understand? Mina even ungalikhipha ngifisayo ukubabona ukuthi yo I wish to see my mother again. So if I die at least I have something to look forward to. You understand? It's not like ngizofa nje ngiyebumnyameni. I know where I'm going. So ngizoba happy noma kufika usuku lami lokufa. Ngeke ngife ngikhala.
Yes.
Uyabo ngeke uthi umuntu udlule eboxini uthi hey besigulile le champ. Uyabo ngoba ngimubi ngoba ngimuhla ngathi ngiyasmile uthi yo bengathi izovuka because I know la ngiyakhona ukuthi it's clean. Uyabo. My beliefs were clean. You understand? So bro, there's things that you need to believe in khona uzozibona izimanga emhlabeni.
Uqina ube indoda.
Ube indoda mfethu.
Mfoka Mthethwa xoxela mina ngixoxele abantu bakithi lana mina kethu. Mina ke ngiyayiva kakhulu indzaba yemali yetipoko
Yeah.
ufikile Sherlock
Yeah.
wayicoca kancane yabona. Mina ke ngikile ngaba ngeke ngayishare nje nalomna kethu lengisebenzisana naye ukuthi ngike ngaba kule space.
Yeah.
And ngabona ukuthi la akudlali.
Wayifuna imali ibhoko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngiyifunile rah.
Yes.
And ngabona ukuthi la akudlali.
And mhlamba ukazi uyibone ngamehlo.
I've never.
Yes.
Ngihlala ngiyibona nje emaphepheni. Sometimes I would send you a picture lomnye ayishutile athi uphume na for ema coin beyichitheke phansi nakhona ngoba bekakhonjiwe wakwati kuyidobha.
Yes.
Now I wish to know when I'm nakethu before sifika ekubatsheleni ukuthi ikhona mbamba.
Yeah.
Wena personally what came to you uze uyifune kangaka le mali yini le kwendekani?
Mina bengikhuliswa indoda emadodeni.
Okay.
Bengikhuliswa umuntu bengimbiza ngesilwane.
Okay.
Because he was a rare species. My uncle wayindoda engasabi lutho.
Okay.
Even iziba lezi kuthiwa kunenyoka ekhanyisa ngelambo umfice edoba yedwa ebusuku ngenet. Inethi ingozi ezibeni but enedoba ngami umbuzo ukuthi makuphuma inkanyamba la uzokwenza njani athi angithi uphethe ucelemba nami ngiphethe ucelemba mayiphuma la sayibulala siyithwale samsuyihlinze ekhaya. The way he was brave. You understand?
Yeah, no, that's
even amabhunu bekamsaba lo muntu.
Okay.
Because way problem. So he's the one owangifaka kulento yemali yeyibhoki.
Okay.
Because uyena wakayihamba vele. Uyena beyihamba lento emali yeyibhoki ngisamncane. Malume, why ubuye udabuka izinto kanje? Athe mshana ibhoki zisibulele ngenduku. Usuku bonke sigijimiswa amabhunu lapha entabeni. Amaphoyisa asitshetsha amaphoyisa kathi dlala ibhoki. Uyabo? Kwathi mangithi 18 wathi asumdala manje. Sekuyisikhathi sokuthi sihambe nawo sofuna imali yeyibhoki. Kanti luckily sothi siyozingela ngelinye ilanga. Qhamuka imbuzi.
Okay.
Emhlophe imbuzi clean emhlophe.
Yes.
It was the first time ngibona imbuzi nje. Then athi yena siyibambe lembuzi. You understand because ihamba yodwa ehlathini. Asibambe sihambe soyifuya kube yethu. it was not the first time sibamba imbuzi ngizokuxoxela kokuqala. Okay, sayilandela lembuzi yangena emgedeni, yabo. Masingena emgedeni sithi siyolandela imbuzi, nanka amabhodwe, lamabhodwe amakhulu la amnyama lawo. Elinye selize latsheka lachitheka, ama-coins achitheke phansi la ama-pounds la ayi-triangle. Uma sikhathi sithi siyayixotsha vele kuqhamuka ikhehla lebhunu. Lamabhunu lakudala afaka ama-uniform akudala, amabhunu la pink la anama-devu cijile. Yeah. Lithi leli bhunu yabafana bakaMthetho. Mind you akaze simtshele isibongo. Akasazi, we see him for the first time and samangala ukuthi lo muntu uqhamukaphi. Uyabo, yathi yabafana bakaMthetho. Nifina ifuna imali, sithi na siyifuna imali, athi okay. Wena mfana akhombe mina athi wena ngoba usumdala. Nanga umuntu efanele athathe lento le. We understand? But before we start, sifuna usilethele ibhunu, umfana webhunu ongakathombi. Like a small boy, yabo, and bring to them in exchange of le mali. Then ngathi mina ngizomthathaphi ibhunu, mina kwathiwa no, you'll find it, hamba ulifuna. So kunika umcebo thina. So kunika only 10 coins. You'll never go hungry again. Yabo. And mabesho bathi lo 10 coins u-1.2 billion. Imagine. But now, leli jongo lebhunu ngizalithathaphi.
Yeah, le jongo Spaniel bhunu.
Ngizalithathaphi. Because they don't just give you that money for free.
Really?
Yeah, ifana nesithwalo. Uma le mali usunesithwalo because inemoya. You can't just do anything you like ngale mali. They tell you ukuthi uzoyidla kanjani, nabobani kanjani. Okay, from today uzogqoka kanje for the rest of your life. Don't change these clothes. Uthola kulento ziyadabuka uyazithunga marune mali. But ugqoka into esidabukile. Uyabo, because bakunika imithetho, there are rules behind everything. So thina ke sasa siyacabanga ukuthi hayi leli khehla leli liyabheda leli khehla. Othi sithola inyanga ezoyikhipha. That's when yonke leti iqale khona. And then sesithola inyanga iyakhona. Sathatha xa sathala ubaba waka Ngcongo. I remember Ngcongo, he was a big guy. Yabo enempandla la. Sifike naye laphana uNgcongo ngathi uyashunqisa. Kwavele uyamkhumula uHercules.
Amkhumbula kahle.
That tall guy leni ehluze ingaka.
Sihlangela lesa.
Vele indoda engaka, engangoHercules. Ivele imbambe lo. Imbambe kalula ivula ibhodi, imvalele ebhodweni bese iyavala, yahlala phezulu kwebhodi. Yagoqa izandla yabuka thina ukuthi senzani. Lo ukhala ebhodweni ngesikhathi simini.
Lo muntu uphosa lapha phansi ebhodweni.
Ngesikhathi thina uqhwakele lo phezulu kwesidikiselo sebhodi. Lo ukhala lapha phakathi ebhodweni inyanga. Thina manje simile lapha saso kwenze njani. Yabona sathi sipoke masivula ibhodo simkhipha. Ngangazi ukuthi umuntu omkhulu uyakwazi ukugijima. Kwanqamuka ihlahla. You understand? Kwanqamuka ihlahla ebaleka.
Uthi manje.
Yeah. Saphela sahamba nobaba kaNqwango. Bamshisa lo wayifaka ibheshu bamshisa lasha ibheshu laphela wagijima ngezinqa kanje. So it's been tough mfethu emalini ebhokwe ngiyalinyalwa. Recently nami ngalimala, then I went to the hospital ngahlinzwa, we understand, because lento le yalimazana.
Shemi kancane le story wena mnakethu wena ulimele njani? Ngibonile kancane
ukuthi ukuthi mina behlezi bengikhuza njalo ukuthi yekela ukuza nezinyanga. Yekela ukuza nezinyanga yabo. Mina ngihambe nezinyanga. Last time ngihamba nomunye ubaba uzibiza uthi usakale ibhikile. Uthatha lamasaka kudala lawa brown. Ufaka ibhikile ezinde engake ezu4 uthi ubamba ngazi ibhoko. Yeyo mfethu. Bavele wathi safaka lezi ibhikili zakhe phansi la efaka zobu4 khona evula leli saka lakhe ethi uzovalela ibhoki. Kwavele waqhamuka amakhehla uthuba elinye lambamba ngeenyawo ikhanda labheka phansi elinye lavula isaka bamfaka phakathi bambulala ngenduku.
Uthini manje mnakethu?
Nami-ke manje lo ikhehla lathi wena uzwa dala sikukhuza uyabo la ngishanje kancane ngisagila nje gqula iswini uyabo kanti lethu izovela ifuna ukuzenza ithumba
Okay.
bese yabola yanuka yabona more than i-toilet
Are you serious?
yanuka and iyanyakaza ithi khombisa ukuthi idla mina manje straight uyabo
Yo.
ngayesibhedlela fika esibhedlela bangihlinza ngesikhathi beyihlinzile lento iyanyakaza ithi khombisa ukuthi iyaphila
Yo.
you understand so that's how nami ngalimala ke njengoba ngilimele recently njengoba ngisalimele namanje because angakapholi
Are you serious?
uyabo so it's very serious indaba yebhoki amakhehla ayaziyo uyabona uxoxa ngemali yebhoki khona ikhehla liyaziyo livele lisukume lihambe
Yeah.
because liyazi ukuthi hey kuyaphetha lapha uyabo
So now ngitshele mnakethu wena ngoba lemihambo wena namalume wakho ledala leli lemlungu la nitshela imithetho lekufuna niyilandzele kuze nithole le mali
Yeah.
wena uyathi se letinyanga uyanjani ngifuna kwathi
Angithi inyanga-
sisuke njani
yes angithi inyanga ithi yona inawo umuntu okubamba ibhoko
okay
bese ngiyayitshela umuntu yazi kunemali yeyibhoko ekhona engifisa ukuthi kuyithatha manje izibhoko zakhona ziyashaya ithi inyanga yona hayi mina nginawo umuthi
okay
asambe zofike ngiyibamba ibhoko or ngizofike ngichele
okay
lalela lapha iyafika inyanga nezinkamba ngesikhathi ithi iqalisha izinkamba zayo la yashunqisa vele vuka izibhoko ziphuziswa inyanga izinkamba ayiphuza umuntu izinkamba zakhe uthothi umuntu udla umuntu ongadliwa you understand uhamba naye le emotweni uyaqhuma uyakhala mina ngiyahleka ke mina ngihleka ngisho sekingeni yabo ngesikhathi ukhala mina ngiyahleka because wena uthe wena uzoqamba ibhoko uyabo ngeke ngihamba nomunye ubaba wakashwabede oyisulumani yabo hayi lo baba sifike lapha emgedeni nangempela imali sikwazi ukuyithatha
okay
ushwabede ngesikhathi sithi siyaphuma noshwabede eminyango nazi ibhoki ziza nonkosikazi wakhe nezingane zakhe ezu2 shothi ibhoki ihambile zalanda umndeni wakhe zashiya la ngesikhathi siphuma zithi ibhoki hayi uma ukuthi nihamba nemali thina sithatha laba songena nabo ngaphakathi
Okay.
ayikho iproblem ningayithatha imali but thina sothatha nabo yakhala indoda ngangiqala ubona indoda ehayiza ngathi ishonele umfazi kwaduma intaba yathi hayi mthetho asishiye imali ngathi ungangibhedeli mina uthe wena uzokwazi uqoqa
so letipoko tibalanze like literally dipena
like baphila
bavukile
not ukuthi abantu abafile zabalanda ekhaya ukuthi zabalanda kanjani fast kangakanani I didn't understand nami because it was fun la sasikhona
Yo.
but it took just couple of minutes ukuthi belande ingane lapha beze nazo la
nale mali
ya ukuthi thathani imali thina sothatha amasana omunye isulumane ngihamba naye uphethe isicephu sakhe lesi uthi uzofika ethandaze lapha athatha imali ne
yes
mase yafika lapha gcwele amasulumane amanye inqwaba yathandaza yabo wonke ashona phansi ayavumbuka amasulumane ashona phansi ayavumbuka amasulumane uyasuka naye undlala isicephu sakhe
Yeah.
uyathandaza uthandaza nezibhoko ngisabathe wendoda ngisabathe zibhoko lezi ezidlala ngawo hayi uyathandaza akasangizwa uyathandaza manje uyathandaza ngaze ngamshiya khona ngathi ayi fork ayikho letho
Hayi, indaba yebhoko.
so indaba yebhoko is too deep
it's serious
serious
so tell me brother Sizwe kahle based on your researches le sonawo wena
yeah
kuyofika kahle hle kule mali lena kudzinga ukuthi umuntu abe njani so that tikwati letipoko le mali kumnika freely tingamhluphi
akekho umuntu ezomnika ibhoko imali zingamhluphi because njalo mazikunika they want something from you it's an exchange of gifts uzonikela nga something engeke uze kube mnandi kuwe ukuthi unikele ngayo and then bakunikele imali
yo
yabo abangena ufuna umfazi abangena ufuna ingane yakho
yo
yabo so it's not that easy ukuthi ungathatha le mali
sithwalo lesi
yes it's serious
Mara ngekubona kwakho mnaketfu ucabanga ukuthi lelibhunu leli Paul Kruger kahle yini le wayenda le mali ize igadwe dipoko letinemandla kangaka?
Ayena uPaul Kruger owayegangile abantu abamnyama who were working with Paul Kruger. Abantu abamnyama kade baqala ukuthengeka. It's not today.
Okay.
Yabo kunezinyanga ezistrong ezayihanjwa uPaul Kruger. Black people and Indians.
Yo,
Yibona abakhanda lento le iyayibhokwe. Because most mawuzogijima lapho ugijimisa isipoko seNdiya.
okay.
Yabo khona namabhunu but eSendiya si strong.
Serious?
Yeah, khola siyasafika khona sizikhipha imali kwafika ivan lamasosha. Zathi bamba lo nyanga first. Egijima inyanga ilanga lonke. Yeah, bethi bamba lo nyanga. Yabo, ayinandaba nathi.
Yeah.
Funa inyanga, bamba lo nyanga. You understand? So it's very dangerous because bantu bayafa lapho. Khamba abantu abafa mina ngihamba nabo. It's more than 19.
Are you serious?
Yes, people die. For serious. And we run and leave you there. Uzokwenzani? Uzothwala umuntu la ipoko yazi ipoko enqene uvele ithedele inyosi.
Yo,
Not just any nyosi.
Inyosi
Inyosi ipoko lezi ezinkulu ezingaka. Lezi ezihlaba ngodosa ngathi ugwazo umesi. Yeah. Gijima ungazazi ukuthi indaba zakho zikuphi.
Yo.
Gijima uyifake emaweni ufe. Uzomfuna aphi umuntu emaweni la ungazikhona.
So mnaketfu ngitshele uyathi usangisherela lo mnaketfu ushela ukuthi indzaba yemali etipoko was so serious for him yagcine imbangela netinkinga nje leti spiritual
Yes,
leti
yeah.
sensitive. So kahle akusina noma ngabe ngibali lekufuna ayofika lapha.
Baningi abantu abamba imali yezipokwe but abayazi. Kunabantu abayiqala kudala kunami but abakazi bayibone ngamehlo.
Okay.
Because land it chooses certain people abane gift thizini.
Okay.
And land ayibathanda abantu abagreedy.
Okay.
Greedy unenhliziyo embi phatha umuntu omubi wabulala umuntu ngeke usondele la.
Okay.
Yabo sebenza ngabantu abaclean.
Okay.
Uyabo. So it's not just any person nje ukwazi ukufinyelela imali leyibhoko no. Cause ngakulayela mina ngithi ikhona ufika ungayifici wena. But mawuhamba nami ufike ngikukhombise ngithi nansi uyibona.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah, but it's very spiritual. It's a very secretive thing. I think iyafana ne secret society.
Kahle.
Yeah.
I've once talked to this guy ngimtshela sikokuthi indzaba yetipoko by the way. Ngithi kuye mina indzaba yetipoko it's sensitive. Spoko bantu abafile that are living
Yes.
ngekwemoya la emhlabeni la siphila khona. It's not just anyone that sees those things.
Even ispoke nje then
Natural, yeah.
asibona noma ubani.
Kahle.
Kunabantu abakhona ukusibona ispoke.
Okay.
Like mina masikhona ngiyakutshela ukuthi kunespoke la.
Uyakhona
Yes,
kusiza.
ngiyakhona futhi nokukhuluma naso if kune problem ukuthi endoda awubulawanga yithi la.
Serious?
Yes. Yes.
Indzaba yetipoko is.
Mina when my brother died he came back and told me ukuthi who killed him.
Are you serious?
Yeah. It's that deep. So ispogo imoya nje.
And how do you communicate naletipoko mnaketfu?
It kuyafana communicator now. But ukuthi sona masifika uyafeel ukuthi again umuntu ophilayo.
Okay.
But the communication is the same.
Ukhuluma naye ngathi ukhuluma ne.
Yeah, akutshele naye ukuthi unankinga yana. Mina ngangathi ungeyintombazana ijacket kubo. Kanti yashona.
Okay.
Uyabo? Yaphuma kubo ngewindow yami emguvweni kanti izoshona.
Okay.
So iyasaba ke ekhaya. Hlele entabeni yagodola ngihlangana nami niyangicela ukuthi ngicela ungicelela ijacket lapha ekhaya. Igama lami ngubani? Mangifika khona ngithi ngithunywe usibani uzocela ijacket. Umama wakhona wathi mfana wami ngicela uhlale phansi ulinde ubaba. Wafika ubaba wakhona ngamtshela ngathi baba ngihlangana nosibani lapha entabeni. Wangicela ukuthi icela ngimlandele ijacket and ngimxolisele. Wathi ubaba khona mfana wami woza la ngikukhombisa. Wangithatha ubaba sehlele ezantsi insimini nali ithuna wathi lo muntu kade ukhuluma naye nangikandithi imncwaba. Kwakhani ngithuka ukuthi hayibo. Wangichazela kuba ukuthi hayi lo wenza iphutha. Wayeqala ekhaya wahamba omgruveni washona. manje uyasaba ukubuya
Okay.
uyabona.
So akanzi wena mnakethu labantu le bahamba bashone egangeni bashone kuma accidents akunamihambo lentiwako so that we bring lo moya walomuntu
Yes,
abe at
bayalandwa
peace.
abantu.
Bayalandwa abantu.
Yes, bayalandwa.
Manje uma ngabe ahlupha njengalo ntombatane lohlangane naye wena mina ke ngibese ngiyadibuta ukuthi lo mndeni ubese wende njani
Uthola ukuthi abamlandanga.
ngamabo
Mhlawumbe badinwa, abantu bayadinwa.
yo
Uphuma la ikhaya uyofa, usibangela inkinga. Semele sikhiphe imali singcwaba. Besanethemba lokuthi uba nekusasa wena uyeqo yeGuguruva. Bekungcwabe phela ngoba umzimba kodwa wena bakudinele wena. Ufuna ukuthi bese bexole. Inhlambuluko ayikufake ezulwini. Okukhona ungena ezulwini. Letho uthola ukuthi imndeni eminingi istakile because kwaxabana abantu bakudala
Yo,
bakhona
yo,
bazwananga. So inhlambuluko manje inkinga zehlele ebantwaneni. Kumele kuze kulungiswe le yankinga.
yo
Kuze umndeni ube nokuthula. Ayingeni into engcolile kuleya ndawo leya. That's why uthola kuneyipokwe because abantu abenza izinto ezimbi emhlabeni. Uyafika lapho umuntu kuthiwa hayi wena awuhlale lapha ya. Bese yayingaza kumoya wakhe manje ngithi akangenile emndenini. Uyayingaza kumoya wakhe ungcolile ngithi. Sekukhandeka izibhoko.
manje mnakethu wamsita kanjani untombatane
Angamsizanga ngalutho nama efuthule ngashiya because ngani mangifica lade ngekhona kasekho. Ngangizothini? Lutho. Yena ungamela hambe yoxolisa kubo.
manje uxolisa njani abantu uyathi mina
Uzobona bayakwazi ukufika ngephupha ngithi.
okay
Yes.
yemnakethu yabona lenzaba yethi ipopo lena mina seyangiphusa sithi kancane based on your artistic career ngiyabona ku music mnakethu you are a legend I must say umusic wakho ngulandelela kakhulu and I love it so much
Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
uma ungangithatha nje ungibeke ukuthi icale kanjani indzaba ye music ya escalate kanjani because when I see from last year until now you are doing very good escalation yakho iyabonakala ukuthi no you are going somewhere
Music uqale kudala mfethu way back from school. Ngiqala music from school nje kwayinto engikhula nayo ngasebenza nabo baba uMbongeni.
Okay.
That's when I learned so many things. Ko baba uMbongeni ngemo baba uJonas Gwangwa uyabona baba uHugh them most artists I've worked with most big amakhehla you understand so I've learned so many things.
Yeah.
Yabo because this year ngenza 28 years ku music industry.
okay
Yeah, so ngilandela nje
No,
nami
that's huge.
indaba yo music. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
So experience is icon.
so how is the growth
Mfethu you know I'm growing slowly but steady but surely.
ngiyabona lapha
Angijahanga.
Yes.
It's not like I'm in a competition with anyone or mhlambe ngiculela isiso ngilambele. No, I'm just doing music for the love of music. Nanokuthi I want to make profit
okay
to help izintwana ezincane
Yes.
ezikhulayo because kunzima ku music kunzima
Kahle,
ukuphumelela you need money wherever you go.
Yes.
As an artist you need money. Kunama artists ane talent but because they don't have money they don't have funds they don't have sponsorships phelele emakhaya umuntu egcina entshontsha egcina ebheme ihunga because akakhona ukuveza lento and iart iyafana nobungoma idemon
Yes.
iyakudla lento iyakhlupa you understand so ugcina wenza into abantu bagcina behlanya you understand because lento istakile la ngaphakathi iyumoya uyabona ifuna ngathi ungayenza ngikhathi kufisikhathi ukuthi uyenze so mina I want to help those people with the profit that I make from music right now yabo ukuthi okay let me just create mhlambe organizations where I'll take artists record them
Yes.
make them money umuntu mase nemali aphuma khona kuyozimela you understand and the way mina I'll run my institute alike artist amezohlupheka.
Okay.
Whenever you skipping ngoma you make money I take half of your money I buy you properties I buy you my tracks ukuze malento yo music mayibheda you have something to fall back to you understand I-artist li owner something ezokwazi ukuphilisa abantwana ba not ukuthi i-artist lenze 5 million unike 5 million hambe lophe ama drugs lithenge ama GTI liginqike nawo life lingashiyi lutho emuva it's not going to work like that in my contract I will even control yonke into to make sure ukuthi you are set.
Yes, for
you
life.
understand. So ndokukalela iminyaka ukuthi 5 years kumele wena usukhona ukuzimela. Ukuze ukwazi uphuma uyozimela ngidile nomunye. But aliki artist elophuma phansi kwesandla zami lihlala lihlupheka lingabi na next. Aliko I guarantee you.
Mnakethu nguva kahle mina. Mina ngiyabona usebene nabo babembongeni ngema based on your acting career. Ngifuna kwathi nje ukuthi usayiphesiwa le career yakho ye acting.
Nah.
What happened?
Acting is something else. Acting is nice.
Okay?
It's just abantu behind everything about Satan.
Okay.
You understand? Kubuhlungu ukusebenzela enye indoda ecebe wona ungabi na next, but you the one who's making money. Your face is shown there. Wena olimali isithunzi. Abantu bakubona ku TV yasebenza ba expect ukuthi na something kanti awuna next.
Yo.
Bese kuthiwa artist lidla imali kanti akukho kwayona imali eliholayo. Because maningi ama-artist ekuthiwa ngoba kade actor nje why efenganamali. There is no money. Kunabantu abadla imali, not lo muntu ombona escreenini. We understand. If you make like 10 million and uhola 10,000, fine ukuthi uhola cent.
Yeah, no, it's 1 cent.
You're not making anything.
Kahle.
While it's your face that sells the product. Uyayibona into ngisho. So ngabuka uSathana okuyona lento ngathi this is not for me. As much as I love it, as much as let me just do my music nakhona ngawenzela indlala.
Yeah.
Because I'm not signed with anyone. Ngiyazenzela yonke into with my money. You understand? It's not like umuntu ongisayinile othi Pyramid in keep ingoma mangithanda mangathanda ngikhiphi.
Yeah, but you're growing nicely.
Ngiyabonga mfethu, I'm trying.
You're growing nicely.
I'm trying. Give me 2 years. You'll see.
Okay. It's easy for you guys. Le space lengiso uyabona njengami mina as an artist from Mpumalanga, it's difficult. Kunale perspective to every kid labaphila la Mpumalanga. Bantwana banetiphiwo letithusako letimatima la Mpumalanga abaningi. But now the perspective yokuthi uma mntwana afuna to break through on acting, or it can be music or whatever it can be, la career lagu media. Funa wonke umuntu ayejozi. Lento yasikhosta la eMpumalanga. Those kids basuka la bahambe baye eJozi uve bathi lo muntu upoto lo muntu usestradini bathi utsengisalibisi.
Yeah.
So it's very difficult. So
I think abantu to blame are the people bakuleyo ndawo. Nama leaders aleyo ndawo. Why don't you create something for those kids? Why they always have to go to Joburg? And now ama camera in Mpumalanga. Anikwazi ukushoot ama series and pitch them SABC and do your own thing. Why do niyeke intwana zizahambe ziye eGoli? Why labantu baseGoli bengezi bezofuna intwana la kunina, because nina necherish talent lenu la eMpumalanga. Kusuke bona beze la. Mabefuna ingane la, you sit down with them, you nabatshela ukuthi lengane ke awuzukwenza ukuthi nokuthi kulengane. Because lengane belongs to Mpumalanga province. You understand? What is the province doing about it? Kono Sifsa today. What are they doing about it? You understand? Those are the things we should consider. Let's build our own. Let's make our own events.
now ngiyayithanda lento loyishoko mnakethu, ngiyayithanda.
Yeah, you can build your own Beyonce. Inkinga nibambisene nabantu abamnyama nomona.
Yeah.
Yabo kunzima ukuthi abantu abamnyama benze into iphile because banomona mfethu. Banomona. Because ngayiqala into so-3 but thina so-2 sohlangana nganango bafo sidied. Ajwayela lo, he doesn't deserve this money. Simthengele inkabi.
Kahle.
Kanti lo mqondo afike nawo iwona owenza ukuthi lenqola isuke.
Liphile, yes.
Isikhathi esehambile. La ma ideas akhe wasekho. Then we fact we chaw money ngoba thina imqondo ethi ibheke emalini. Asisakhulu iyavaleka into. Yini we greedy. Sazalwa nesifo esimbi sokuba greedy as black people.
Mnakethu basically ngiyabona lapha business wise ngiyabona ubusy ku construction, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Ubusy ku security.
Yeah.
How's the business there?
No, the business is okay, but the construction has stopped doing the construction.
Really?
Nenhliziyo encane mina.
Okay.
You know, angikwazi ukuthola umsebenzi bese kuba novbafo ozoqhamuka athi ngekwazi ukusebenza lo nganginikile imali.
Yeah.
I'll end up killing abantu abaningi.
Yeah.
So let me just stop doing this thing.
Yeah.
Yabo ngiphushele le yami security because security ayina stress.
Yes.
You understand? You just to cut nje ama buildings abelungu, get let the imali encane, holela abantu. Makhona abantu abawu10 okwazi ukubenza belale badlile. You're doing God's work.
That's a lot.
You understand? Ukuthi abaholi kakhulu ini anigade umsebenzi emkhulu yamathenda okusalayo. Ekuphela kwenyanga konke ingene account yakhe. Ahamba athengele ingane ukudla. uNkulunkulu ejabule.
Ngiyayithanda le.
Ile ngeke ngibuze ngithi why amasonto operator? Why are we going to church? Yini umsebenzi wesonto? Is to teach you bullshit. Tell you about Moses in Moses died long time ago.
Yeah.
Siphila manje. What are we doing for our own people? Umfundisi ngaba nabantu abo 300 ebandleni but akabaza abazalwane bakuthi lo phila impilo endlani lezi ngane ziyafunda nesikoleni zinawo nama uniform banawo numuzi but abantu bayanikela with such big money. Mfundisi hambe ngemoto enkulu drive Rolls Royce. What about his people abasesontweni? When is he going to start doing God's work? God's work uthi akubona uma lapho uthi uMatteo wanyukela entabeni and then what? Wanyuka entabeni then kwadla ba.
Yeah.
We don't give a fuck about uMatteo baba. What are we doing for our own people? Mina mangathiwa ngiba nebandla lingakhela abantu izindlu la esontweni. Umzalwane fanele sime ne database yakho ukuthi uphumaphi uphila kanjani ekhaya uba usebenzayo niphila ngane ekhaya. Ukuze lo mnikelo mawungena we know ukuthi uhalf lo mnikelo we need to take care of this and this and this and this zase sontweni abantu bala esontweni abeze bejabule bayazi ukuthi what we giving to the church iyakhona ukusiza abantu bala ibandleni. Izingane ziyafunda. Uyabo awukwazi ukuthi ingane ziyasonta abazali bazonikela ngemali yokugcina but ingane enama uniform. But niyasonta. Niwenza nomsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu.
Yeah, that's
Abukho umsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu bona bakhanda ibusiness boyomukela. Ibona uSathane. If you want to know uSathane hambe esontweni baphila khona because they don't care about abantu. They only care about bakufuqe ngencwadi nje. Phela uyafika bakujulukisa ngamaculo uyagxuma ulambile ngesikhathi ugxuma. Muqeda ukugxuma la ifridge empty. Ingane ifuna isinkwa khoma lesinkwa uyishiye esontweni wena.
Yo.
Uyezwe ngisho. So many things doesn't make sense. Until we start making sense and still we start changing ourselves, then so ushintsha umhlaba. But if singakashintshi we never change the world.
Ngiyayithanda lenzaba loyikhulume ecaleni uma uthi into lebambelela labantwana to basuke la and go to Joburg bayofuna icareer ngalena. It's when sikhona thine why don't
Yes.
you make
Yes.
give the government what to do.
Yes.
Because now we always complain at the back but the question that comes back is what are you doing so the government can see ukuthi
Yes.
funa ifake kanjani ifake nganani.
Sisodwa sama artists
Yes.
sihlangene.
Yes. The thing.
Yabo if sistema artist la eMpumalanga sihlangene. Siya government sothi thina sama artist aseMpumalanga sicela u1 no 2 no 3 no 4 no 5. We know this government will give us that because sihlangene. Kodwa ngikwazi ufika mina ngiya government ofuna itende uyofuna ispeaker omunye ofuna imic then it's the waste of time.
Yeah.
You understand? Ukubambisana amaSolomane aqhamuka le kwela kube u10 eze South Africa afika avula isitolo esisodwa. Avulele uIbrahim isitolo. Besebenze bonke lapha esitolo sika Ibrahim. Sikhulu isitolo senza imali kuthiwa sesingakwazi ukuvulela uZafari manje isitolo.
Yeah.
Bemvulela uZafari isikhathi sikhulu isitolo saFazafari beza kuFahiz. Bonke labo bazogcina benezitolo be
After 2
only
years, they
yes
got
bonke
50
banezitolo. Sebe yini sebe brotherhood labantu. Sebe khona ukubeka imali. Uthola ukuthi ba brotherhood they own like billions. But baqala benganalutho why bahlangana. We understand? Muslims mfethu yo and they rich. Edobuka abafazi bama Muslims ngeke umfice fa isigqebhe eshuba izinqa la ehlele ethaveni ephuza utshwala.
Yeah.
Bayifihla umbona ngamehlo kuphela ukuthi umfazi. They respect themselves. Bapha bethu abafazi. Mhlamba wakho manje usethaveni nowami mhlamba ule wenza kwenzawo. Eish. No abafuna ubhizi.
Yeah, impilo yabantu abamnyama, abantu abamnyama.
Uyabona? Asihloniphi thina.
Don't respect ourselves.
Yabo, God left us long time ago my brother. Because uNkulunkulu engeke ahlale. Unawe mangathi uNkulunkulu ekuvuse ebusuku ethi ngiwunika wena umhlaba awukuba gadi. Wena ngeke kuphele neawuphila wena. Ngabula istress ulele. That's why uNkulunkulu wabaleka naye wacasha wathi angifuni bengibone. Ngomuntu engibone sefile. Nakhona makuthi siyambona we don't know.
So nakethu ngiyabona lapha you've got one brother and two sisters back at home ekhaya.
Yeah.
And I saw that you've been raised by a single parent.
Yeah.
You said something very powerful uma uthi wena kimi you are a spear.
Yeah. I am.
ungilelinye lihlobo lelingavami lemuntu lowatalwa.
Yeah.
So that I see that your mother knew that there was power that was left
Yeah,
in you.
she knew.
So mnaketfu, how's the life back at home? Ukhula kwakho to take care of your brothers and sisters.
Ekhaya mfethu kwakunzima kakhulu. And thina uma wethu died when we were young. I think I was this boy's age. Umama eshona. And abantwana bakhe babancane. Kwamele ukuthi ngisiyeke mina isikole.
Yo.
Khona kuzodliwa ekhaya. Yabo abanye befunde. Ngangithanda kuba ummeli, ngithanda kuba ufunda but impilo yathi because wayengekho umunye umuntu wayesekhona kwase kuyithi sizingane. Wena sente sayibamba from then until today. But ubhuti wami ke lo umdala bamdubula ke 2020. Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah, sikhathe COVID 2019
Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah, bamdubula. So ngisele no sister bawu2 manje abalama mina. But they doing good in life.
Yo.
So nje God has been good to us.
Sure.
Nedlozi has been good to us. Mfethu ngeke sidla amandla oNkulunkulu nedlozi. Siphela asikabi nako konke sikudinga ngoba umqondo womuntu uhlezi ukutshela ukuthi you need more. Ngisho usuhleli la onethezeke khona uboni because you always need more.
Yeah,
you understand?
sure.
But God has done so much for us mfethu.
Yeah.
Njengoba ngisho ngithi ukuthi uyahlupheka namhlanje akusho kusasa uzobuhlupheka. It's just the mindset. We understand fana ukutshelwa inyanga ukuthi ngeke uphumelele wena ngoba dingeka imbuzi once wayithatha leyo nto wayigqoka yakuphila sohlupheka uzufe.
Yes.
But if umuntu ekutshela umuntu okutshela ngempilo yakho ukuthi impilo yakho izohamba kanjani, you the one who drives your own life. If you want to be poor uzoba poor because when ucabanga ukuthi upoor you can't even wake up and do anything. Mfethu khona abantu abavuka bexova amagwinya. Do you know xova amagwinya can make you money? You understand? And akudinga ukuthi amagwinya uzowatayisele amagwinya akho memnandi abantu beza kuwena bezowathenga. But because we lazy. Omunye uzokuthatha amagwinya ayanuka azonuka impahla zami but you are poor. Sakhala ngeimpahla ezonuka. Mina ngeke ngisho mfethu ngithi if kungathiwa kule angishayeke kule position engikuyona ngeke kodwa ngihlupheka. Ngadayisa insango amaphoyisa singalwa nawo zonke izinsuku. But amaphoyisa angagcina ngazi ukuthi you know what this guy hayi ngoba edayisa ngoba ethanda uzama impilo unezingane.
This child.
Kumele ephile. You understand? Ngeke ngidayisa idakamizwa into ezibulala abantu. No dayisa insango ayibulala umuntu uyayibhema ihlekisa uhleke mawuhleke ulala mawulala uvuka uphinde uqhubeke nempilo.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'll be doing something for my kids. Wena usulo ukuthatha amaluzu udayise. Kusulo ukhanda iqeda loku 5 fridge udayise elingane and make money ukuthi uthenge ingane zakho 5. I know mfethu. Phuma ke ubamba imoto zemali. If ushiya ufuna ukusenza into ezincane, khona uzoyuza insimbi ishisa kanjani la eminyango. Yabo. But I think abanye abantu bayigqoka lento ukuthi ngiyahlupheka. Once wayejethi uyahlupheka uzohlupheka. Once wathi wena angeke kulunge la ekhaya ngoba amadlozi la ekhaya angcolile ngoba utshelwe inyanga naye namadlozi angcolile nakwayona ifuna u20 wakho ngoba iziqambela amanga nje uyofuhlupheka.
Yo.
Akekho umuntu okutshela ukuthi impilo yakho izoba njani. Whether you can foresee into ingakenzeki but wena ungakuvumeli lokho. Iba nenkani umuntu ukuthi mina ngizophuma ngenkani.
Speak a blessing.
Yabona uma ukuthi amadlozi angilahlile wonke angilahle.
Yes.
Angilahle. Vela angidinga nawo. Njobe lapha adinga mina, njobe lapha edinga ukugezwa, angeke esazoyigeza la adinga mina. Kwawona mengafuni ukwenza wafokofe. Uyabona? Uma efuna ukungibulala asifeni sonke nami ngizofa nami ngizohlupha njengabo. It's okay. It's not like khona into enhle ezokwenzeka kumina engafani nabo. No. Nami ngizofa njengabo ngcwathwa. Bazohlupha abani ngingasekho. Cause ukuze nabe survive beqashwe emaketangeni they need someone like me. Ozozama bathengele imbuzi ethengeni ukuze begezeka ngithi bafa bethakathi
Manifest their life.
Badinga mina. So bona uma bezoqeda yonke into empilo kumina ngoba na kubethi angimenzele uyadakwa leyo nja leyo. Sohlala sinjalo. Nami ngizohlala ngilinde usuku lami lokufa ngife nami ngizohlupha. Uyabo akasakhululekanga naye. You understand? Kanti yena uma esebenzisana nami ethi ngidinga ukuthi but emasenta khona aveze ama trick ukuthi imali ngizoyenza kanjani ukuthi ngitholele imbuzi. Usmart lo muntu.
Yeah.
Because uyazi usebenzisa mina ukuze kanjani akhululeke. Akakwazi ukuvala.
Okay.
Uyabona? Sometimes awuthi umuntu mekubhulela ekuthethe idlozi lakho uzovaleka ukuthi umtshele ukuthi litshele ukuthi liyadakwa.
Yeah.
Iyadakwa leyo njalo ayivale. Ufuna ukubona ukuthi izogeza uba.
Yeah.
Yabo? Inani lento kusaba ukuhlupheka nokufa yonke esihluphekisana.
Kuva kahle.
Because izinto sizenza nje ngoba sisaba ukuthi kuzokuthiwa uzofa, mungakwenzi uzofa, inini vele uzofa bro, ngisho ungakwenza. Isigcino sakho uzofa. Lo muntu ngeke avimbe ukuthi uzofa. Yabo, angeke aze anqamule usuku lakho lokufa mhlawumbe extend i-contract. Ungathi umenzele imbuzi namhlanje ufe kusasa. Wena usenzelwanga umuntu. So, mefuna ungibulala, I believe ezitsheni baba ikhala. Ngibulale wena kuphela. Lembuzo uzoyinyaphi ngingasekho.
Yeah.
Yabo, sometimes you need to have mentality ethi mina I'm not backing down.
True.
I don't think even uNkulunkulu mina ngangiguqisa ngamadolo if I don't want to. Because wangakhangani ngomfanekiso wakhe.
Yes.
Akakhumbule phela. Ngithi nabe kunobuNkulunkulu njengaye.
Yes.
So amandla anawo nami ngakhona wa-activate ukuthi mina thina sicabanga ukuthi singakwenza lokho. God gave us everything, my brother.
Lenzaba ukuthi sifana naye uNkulunkulu thina. We don't really understand ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Kwangashiya umzimba. Amandla, spirituality in you. The force that is inside you. Ngisho ingilosi zakho unenkani zinenkani ziyihonga. Ngizihonga uthi hey angidakelwa mina ngitshela amadlozi ini ahluleka lapho bayiphila impilo baba nezinkomo why bengathetha amacala abo sefanele bevala into zami hayibo
It doesn't make sense.
abatshela emphepheni abombombonyoko niyadala hawu kanjani
Yes.
anikwazi ukungivalela ningidinga basuke bekudinga
Yes.
you understand ileyo nto mfethu ukuthi thina sinabantu abasisabisa ngempilo ukuthi hawu uma ungakwenzi uyafa vele bra ukufa kokumele whether wenza kahle noma wenza kabi sonke siyebhokisini sodliwa izinto uthwala
Hey ngenxa yesikhathi mnakethu bengicela kancane nje ngiyathi ukuthi out there wena mnakethu njengathi tiyabhadla it's a Siswati podcast #indigenous knowledge leli lihlelo ke wena mnakethu lelizama kufundzisa emasiko ebantu labamnyama the origins
Yes.
of black people's lives.
Yes.
We are trying to bring back the language ukuthi bantu abakhumbule ukuthi bobani. Umuntu unemandla nakakhuluma akhuluma ngelwimi langilo.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So many kids out there, they went to school, they went to all this university. When they come back, bacabanga ukuthi when they become those coconuts, like akhuluma ngabo bo Joshua Maponga bathi, they tend to be coconuts. They lose their spirit. But now sebe belungu bebantu labamnyama. Now umuntu longatati ukuthi uyini kahle kahle. Now uphila lempilo le. Now when you want to be a person, uhambe uyotilanza uphile kuwe. Basahamba labantwana baya esikoleni emnakethu. Ngifuna ukuthi ubaphe kancane livi lokuhlale batatu ukuthi bangibobani and build themselves up to become what they really are.
yeah mfethu into engayisho mina awukwazi ukuzibuilda wena ube something that you want to be if you're not yourself.
Okay?
Once you lose yourself you lose everything. You're gone. You're just somebody's puppet or something's puppet wherever. Because angikwazi ukulahla ubusizwe engabuqanjwe kangaba upyramid hlekisa abantu
Yes.
but khona usizwe khona lo mntwana okhuliswe la kamthetho
Yes.
okhonza idlozi la kamthetho uma uzalwa mfethu emhlabeni you come with two guidance
Okay?
khona benhlanhla khona ba protection
Okay?
khona lo gadi imali yakho gadi inhlanhla ulethani bese khona lo gadi izitha angithi bagade wena
Yes.
uzalweni nje and then wena uyashintsha so umlungu so uthi khuluma English awingendaba amadlozi and ngeke ulithethe idlozi lakini ngesingisi idlozi ngilifuna ulimi lwakho lelo zulu understand ukuthi Nkosi yami angithi uNkulunkulu masimthandaza ngesingisi
Yes.
kodwa samazulu asathandaze kumvela inqanga sesithandaza iThixo zabelungu because amazulu ushaka wazo akawazi uGod please
Yeah,
Uyabona?
it's serious.
idalwa zakithi okhokho bethu abayazi leyo nto so mufike emsamo iba umzulu obaba mkhulu bizo baba mkhulu bizo okhokho bizo okhokholosi ngeke umbizo ukhokholosi yini ukhokholosi ngesingisi awazi nje ubuhleli la.
Yeah.
You understand? So I think enye into abazali bethu thina abazali nathi uma sikhulisa izingane zethu sifuna ikhuluma isingisi ubona ukuthi ingane yakho yenza kancane ikhuluma isingisi
better.
why abelungu bengayenzi ingane zabo ukuthi ikhuluma isiZulu
That's the question.
because ayona culture yabo they respect culture yabo
Yes.
bayazi ukuthi ingilozi zabo nemoya yakubo yazi isingisi ayisazi isiZulu
So thina
ngisho umuntu angasikhuluma isiZulu eqeqebuke but uma esehleli nabantu bakubo ukuthandazwa bathandaza ngesingisi ngisho iSulumane lingasazi isiZulu kodwa ikulizwe lithi wena Nkosi yamakhosi wena mveli inqangi never but thina sithi God oh Jesus Christ whoever yabo thandazo Allah today
Ngicela check something man before vala zaman.
yes.
Unale clip lena lengihlangana nayo ku YouTube.
yeah
Okay.
This guy.
Let me see. Oh, this guy. I saw this one, Mkhabela. Thank you
Who's that
very
guy?
much.
Uthole njani le
Lo mfolo ngimbonile. I saw him many times. So long ngithi ngidakubhuta ngiyakhohlwa. Lo uthi ugcine umbuta wena uthi ndoda.
this guy was lying
Oh, it was like
yeah he was lying yini akaza ayithola imali mfethu he was just lying ukuthi nami I met him this day and it was the first time
Okay.
so wangigoqa wathi hayi imali wakwayithola enini but uma sesihlala phansi ngikhuluma sengimbuza ukuthi injani le mali akasayazi uyabo so he was lying he lied to me so
Just bekafuna spotlight nje.
yeah
ngicela kubuyele emuva kancane man. I think there was another podcast bowukuyo nikhuluma. I just forget the gentleman lo bohambe naye enzabeni mara I think he's your friend. Thengbabe bani?
Mkhwanazi
Yeah, Mkhwanazi.
yeah
Yeah,
no Mkhwanazi
wayithola yena.
no
Okay.
no yamehlula naye
Oh, yamhlula.
yeah he tried but yamehlula uzikode yena wabaleka sakho yazi inyanga lekuthi uNkulunkulu uzuzikode
Yeah,
Yohle
ngeva ngalozikode lana.
yamehlula so umbize naye kwi podcast he's just a good guy very funny guy
Yeah, you must connect me with him.
no I will
You must connect
He's
me with
very
him.
funny.
He has funny stories.
too much
Actually, you're the one that made me realize how dangerous this money is.
It is.
Ngikhulume nabantu abaningi mina ngemali yabo Phewula bengicabanga ukuthi nami kulula ngaleyo ndlela. So uma ngiva le tutorial lebo soloku uthi chaza ukuthi kwendakala nenzabeni, then I started to research again ngaya ngahlangana nalomnye babe nje wasenkomazi bathi Michael ungicocela what this guy was doing ahamba na Paul Kruger bathi lo babe beka inyanga le beyatiwa ngaleso sikhathi kunesihlahla bathi mhlume I don't know if you know that
yeah
kunesihlahla semhlume the tree when you step it usigwaza siphuma ingadi lesihlahla umhlebe yes lesihlahla leso basakuhlala lutho ngaphasi kuso
Yeah.
sibulala yonke into lehlala ngaphasi
yeah
kuso so lo babe bekana letinhlanyelo talesihlahla so bavumelana na Paul Kruger uma asicoca le story ukuthi la bayishiya khona le mali utawuthatha induna kuleti induna takhe angisho yabona leti gungu ukuthi badiningi lapha emasosheni nalo induna yalaba kuthathwa induna le 1 bese seyabekwa lapha iyahlala seyabudwa ukuthi utayigada le mali avume bathi funga ngako konke lonako ukuthi le mali leyo udoyigada avume bese sothatha spam Paul Kruger ufaka lana uyamdubula nakacetha kumdubula lo babefuna be fast lo mtimba ungapholi afake le nhlavu lapha bese sofaka lemithi so uyamdlisa angafi waphuma la mtimbeni so ngibuka le system they use yokuthakatha lo mtimba so that uphile lapha phasi emhlabathini ngilwa kusekela le nto loyishoko ukuthi bantu labamnyama la bebena letinto leti
angazi kanjalo
okay
mina I was told by one of these things
okay
ukuthi how did it happen ukuthi begcine behlala begada imali wawuthathwa
okay
kube ngathi uthola umsebenzi
okay
ngesikhathi ufika lapha nabo ufungiswa kuneyifungo obuyifungiswa khona unika ukudla unikwa amahashi bese uyafungiswa ufungiswe ubhekile ungabhekile ngapha ngakulaba kufungisayo ngesikhathi ufunga ngesikhathi uqeda ukufunga nje bese niyabulawa yabo angithi ufunge uzwegada le mali ngempilo yeingane zakho nangempilo yomkakho nangempilo yakho yonke into yakho and then uma ubulawa la ufavele nalesi spirit sokugada le mali. Abantu bakudala bebenemba ngithi. So vele mawuvuka lapho usilesi sipoki lesi sesikhandiwe.
Anger is there.
Unalento ye enge ukuthi wena usubulewe la ubulawele le mali. So awukwazi ukushiya le mali oyibulawelwe la manje wena. Ivele izothatha omunye umuntu kalula. That's why these things are fighting, because even Paul Kruger himself akakwazanga ukubuyela ukolanda enye imali because lezi zinto zaseyixaka. Sengasafuna lutho lapha emgedeni.
Naye bekazama kubuyela yenza le mali.
And amabhunu lawa nabelungu banemfihlo serious. Ezinye lezi izimali akuzona zo Paul Kruger, ezinye ama rituals. Emayini. Before imayini ivule, there are rituals, serious rituals enziwayo. Because kuneyinyoka lapha entabeni, serious.
Igada le gold.
Yeah. Mina ngabona inyoka mina ngaphuma igazi ngamakhala.
Ha.
Yeah, nekhanda lembuzi. I wish people can stop ukuhamba imali yebhoki. I so wish they can stop. Beyeke le yanto. Akuyona yabo. Le yanto iyabulala le nto isuphekisa even your generations. If ungeke uzukwazi ukuyilanda ngendlela and uthola umuntu ozokwazi ukuyigeza le mali, niyabulalana kule mali nodwa. Nithi niyithathile nje nibulalane nodwa niqedane. Ibhoki ithatha imali zebuyisele emuva.
Yo.
Thina sake sayithwala amabhodo zasiyeka safika nawe ekhaya. Sathi masiwabeka nje ku round ekhaya kwamama ngasho eminyango kwehla amabhuna athatha amabhodo alayishe hashini abuyele emuva lafika ikhehle ebusuku lathi besifuna ukunikhombisa nje ukuthi singanika le mali masifuna. Kodwa ngeke size sininike.
Lethi ngendlela
Because umsamo wakini awulunganga. Uyabona serious kanjani indaba le mali?
No, it's deep.
So abantu abayiyeke. Today I'm advising abantu ukuthi abayiyekele le yanto akuyona yabo, otherwise kuzofa abantu abaningi. Kuzofika isikhathi la uzophuma noyentabeni utholanda imali isale izinto ibulala umndeni wakhe emuva uthi uyabuya ekhaya kusekho umuntu. Sesibabulele bonke labantu because ayisafuni.
Setsini.
Wagcina nini ukungibona ngixoxa imali istory semali?
Yeah, it's been long.
Because I was warned ukuthi yima manje. Sebaningi abantu abeinterested kulento and bayalimala because of you. So landa wena manje. So people must stop doing that thing. Akona umdlalo loya. Ngiyangitshela ukuthi kunabantu abanganabo baba abafela lapha ezintabeni. Ehlangane nescheme behambe efike efe lapha bengabuye ukuzosho ukuthi ufile. Elahleka umuntu kuthiwa walahleka waduka akaziwa kanti hayi umuntu wafa.
Selenzabeni.
So abantu abayiyeke le yanto. Akuyona yabo. Because ngisho usuyithathile inenkinga zayo usunayo ke endlini. Kuyenzeka uyithatha ungakwazi ukuyisebenzisa. Iduve lapha endlini, ihlale nawe lezi ipokwe lapha. Zikuvuruvaye. Uzibe mncane ungakudatshula kube ngathi uyahlanya ekhanda ibhokwe lezi ziyakukhwela lapha endlini njalo umuntu uyolala. Because ukuphapha. Bathi abayiyeke into engayona yabo.
That's a problem.
Yabona ubona kunezangoma engaka eziphuphile.
Yo.
Ingoba zaqala zathatha izinto ezangayinekwanga zona. Ngoba zithi ifuna ukusiza abantu. Zalanda izinto ezayingadaleli ukuthi ziziphathe. Kwanyanya amadlozi kwanyanya inyanya zakhona zaflathela basala nalezi zinto lezi life span yakho nemfishane injabulo yakho incane. Hluphekisa izingane ufe wena uyishiye lento isale lento ihluphekisa umndeni awusacabangeli ne generation ekulandelayo because you are greedy. People must stop doing those things. Sebenzani kanzima. Udla imali yakho ujabule.
Yes.
Ungadli imali yakho ngathi uyiona lamatekisi udla ubaleka.
Yo.
Uyabona? Abantu abashintshe mfethu. It's about time.
Yeah,
Izolonakele. We are dying now. Izolonakele. There is no other generation cine ngathi thina boma 80s ukuthi kube neabantu abacabangayo. Other than that abekho abantu abacabangayo right now. Ubani ocabangayo manje? kule ngane ikhona ingane ekunika ithemba. Ayikho into ekunika ithemba.
It's really hard.
Ingane zethu ziyazazi ukuthi kumele ukwazi ukudansa. Emva kwalokho kumele ugqoke ubrand udonuse.
Bakruwe ama BM.
Ugibela iBM. Investeni.
Yo.
Investanga next. Uyafa ekhaya basala bahlupheka. But wekuthiwa unemali uphupha madlisa. Faka ugodi ibhloko le-installment. Yini oyenzile? Choma ngekepisi la 20,000 leGucci.
Yo.
But ekhaya khona ingane engangenile university ngoba inayo imali yokubhalisa esikoleni. But wena uyachoma la eminyango. Faka ama-brand uthi endlini ulala embhedeni engathi isaka lika simende vele shone phansi. People must change. Kunento eziserious emele sibhekane nazo. I-country ihambile ithengisiwe.
Hey mnakethu.
Phelile ngabantu abamnyama. I-culture yomuntu omnyama ibulewe yaphela mfethu. Ingcosane yazi ukuthi contact uyidlozi. Umqale izingane lezi khona ikwazi ukushisa impepho. Ayikho. Kwasana umdala kunzima ukuthi ushisa impepho ngoba asiwanakanga amakhehla ngesikhathi esifundisa. Asazi. Kodwa sithi sinamabhadi, sithi uNkulunkulu akekho silahlile. So uNkulunkulu uzokukhumula kanjani uhlulwa idlozi lakho wena? Uhlulwa isithunywa leso uNkulunkulu akunika sona uhamba naso ukuthi ucommunicate naso. Uhlulwa kodwa ulindele ukuthi ukwazi communicate naye. Uyakwazi ucommunicate noma isiZulu nje obula. Ngoba fanele ukhulume nomunye until uzofika kuyena. naNkulunkulu kunjalo. Why kuzoba lula kuyena ukhulume naye direct? Ubani wena? Yabo, abantu abamnyama safunda respect, besine respect sinobuntu, sinomusa isekho yonke leyo nto. So we need to go back to those things. Khona uNkulunkulu sombona, khona impilo zethu izoshintsha. But okwamanje kusazogcwala emathaveni, sigcwale emathuneni, sigcwale ibhedlela. The only nation egcwala ngeke bafica belungu weekend bangumsindo ngama bese beyithwala ekhanda isavana. Bephali befuthi abebona isikhathi I'm sure inkampani zotshwala mayiqala zibakho utshwala ziyazakhela abantu abamnyama. You understand? 16 years, 17 years, 18 years ziyaphuza ziyabhema. Ingane ikutshela ukuthi uyinyoni wena. Awubhemi uyinyoni. Obaba badala balala nezingane ezincane. Thatha umfazi uhamba umgqume ekhaya uthi uyamshada uyomenza umfazi but uyomenza inhlekisa. Kubanye abantu besifazane eminyango ukuthi indoda yakhe ilala nezingane. But there is so many things we need to change. Abantu amazana ayamitha akhipha izisu. Ubani akunika imvumo nesitifiketi sokubulala umuntu wena. But nithi izinto izolunga. Lezi ngane ekhale emathwalete ekhale itamkokweni zona ziyolunga nini into zazo. There are so many things emine siyilungisa ukuze sibe right. Okwamanje sazohlupheka bafowethu. And it's going to be worse. And it's going to be worse, my brother. Ingane yakhe izokukhiphela isibhamu ikudubule. And nizothi nebhadi kanti cha izenzo. Izinto ezethu ezizenzayo. There's so many bad things ezizenzayo thina as black people. Esasingadalelwa ukuzenza. Lekuthiwa kwakuthiwa sabangoni ngoba sasingoni thina. We respected.
This nguni meaning.
Yes, abangoni. That's why singamaZulu. Because si nation respectwa ngisho emazulwini. Black people were blessed. In fact, uNkulunkulu wayesibusise Africans were blessed. The minerals are here. Thina we don't have earthquakes like China like when khona ama countries aneyinkinga thina we wasinazi inkinga. Zidalwa yithina. You understand? Inyoka zamanzi zayingadli umuntu kudala. But ziyasidla man. Ngene iphephe emalokishini wabona inkanyamba ihamba elokishini. Inkanyamba engahambi la kunomsindo khona. Ezamanje zihambe lokishini. Because they fed up ngezinto ulwandle liyangena libulala abantu because they fed up. Sihamba sebelwandle lapha sishiye inkukhu ibole lapha sinolisa ulwandle but sasa siyabuya sithi sifuna ukogeza khona. Empophomeni akusayeke empophomeni manje. Ziyabulala inyoka. Yini icasulwa yini? Niyafika la nizosho ukubola kwenda niyagezana. Ngisho ukubola kweni la kuyangcola. Uba umuntu othanda ukungcolisela umuzi wakhe. There's so many things that we should change. No matter ngathini mfethu uthi clever kangakanani but akekho clever. Mina ngiyithi ayikho insizwa akekho clever. Ungaba insizwa abantu besakubuka. but mama khona yedwa athi hayi bosakhathala yilo bhedile ngayitshela uhlakaniphile okudlula umuntu okuzalayo
Yes.
ngabona ubaba wakhe sekuyinyoni engazilutho uma wakhe sekuthuma ekutshela ethi hayi bo uthi wena hayi ebusheni bakho ngangingekho vele wawungekho that's why ekutshela ukuthi la ukhona kuyashisa because ubonile ngalami ingane lala nezikoleni ongalala wena umuntu esikoleni ngongeke but today konakele bra kodwa ke wela ikithi esingayenza ke abaphathi bezwe bakuvumela singobani ke thina ukuthi nje thina sihlale kwilane yethu sizazi sifunani sazi ukuthi emhlabeni sizeleni sophila leso sikhathi sethu sihambe sithi masihamba senze sure ukuthi imndeni yethu is set for life akekho umuntu ophinda ahlupheka la ekhaya ngemicabango yami nangokuyimisela kwami hawe yafana ngathi kufinsha hayi lungile bafowethu bekumnandi sindawonye
Bathi Philip Sizwe Mthethwa.
Yeah.
I would say that aka Pyramid.
Yes.
Ikhulumile ingwenyama kaJuda. Ngithena ngicala ukucoca naye ngimbuta ukuthi kahle kahle yena ungubani wendwe ngani uthena usikhali umkhonto. Ngicabanga nani senivile nine bekunene ukuthi le ndvodza lena ayiketi emndenini wayo nayitalwa is ayiketi kwaZulu nayitalwa itele umhlaba wonke ndvodza itofundzisa lena. I like actually what you did ngenza abayetipoko so that you teach labantu laba unamnakethu ukuthi bantu abayekele kwenda into lekungakameli batende ngoba abantu anilaleli
uyabona mina ngiyamhlonipha umuntu ophuma ejele athi mnganami ejele akudlalwa because uphuma khona lo muntu uzwile lwamlilo wasejele uyaphuma uthi akudlalwa ungamnanga umuntu ophuma ejele athi ejele kumnandi mfethu siphamisa inombolo elalela baba akudlalwa lapha. So that's why namuntu mangimtshela ungasuka emgedeni uyosukela imoya emgede akudlalwa lapha.
Ziyagcina ngokuhluleka lapha entsabeni
kuphela. Ziyabuya ziza nawe la ekhaya sokudestroyela yonke lento ukuze kuqede ukuphapha. Lezo ziyafika lezi. Ngangihamba mina nabantu sayemathuneni laba zabangumsindo zafika ebusuku zathi ya wena uza nabangani bakho la uzosibangela umsindo. Bungezingani wedwa uma uzokhuluma lento ofuna ukuyikhuluma. Indaba uze nabantu. Kwasa ngingabhekile. Mina ngeke ngangena ezintweni mina bengingalali ebusuku. Fanele umama engigade. Mangacimeza iyafika lemoya. Yini lokho hamba ufuna ukutaste uthi hayi nami ngifuna ukuba nemali ungene kuma secret society ayinkinga. Lento ekuthiwa isatanism ikhona. Hayi ngoba kuthiwa yini ikhona. We know it. We've been there.
Mnakethu.
So ungathi la emhlabeni mfethu uhamba uyifaka ezintweni mina ngangalali. Nginofakazi mongicathi nginamanga mina ngakutshela nginofakazi ongakutshela ukuthi ngangalali mina. Mele ngigade. Ngoba mangacimeza ziyeza lezi zinto ezongihlasela. Thiwa mele ufe usuwazi okuningi. Uyayisola manje ukuthi wawuyapi. Hey, mfowethu hayi kulungile.
Bakithi on YouTube don't forget to subscribe, like and share ngenxa yesikhathi leti ndzaba tiningi atipheli tiyabhadla tibhadlile lana ngiyasola abantu bekunene ngathi sisatobhadla sikhathi lesithe ngoba indvodza yakithi lana ithi lidwani vele liqhamuka la KZN uyaletha lonke. Stay tuned ningangibalekeli. Follow us on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. Igama lami ngizamani ngakadlamini Sibongo ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga nathi siba likhulu ukuthi nisimeme laba fowethu. Siyafisa nje ukubuya sizo